Santisima Muerte, also known as the Holy Death, has deep roots within the Mexican folk traditions. Her influence stretches not only throughout Latin America, but beyond. She often is depicted as a skeletal figure in robes, often carrying a scythe, globe, and/or scales. These symbols are symbols of her power over life, death, and justice. We're going to go ahead and petition Santisima Muerte for protection. For this ritual, you will need a red Santisima Muerte candle, protection oil, and a small bowl of salt. First, anoint the candle with protection oil. Sprinkle a little salt around your candle. This forms a boundary. Side note, I usually try to use a white plate to do this to avoid messes and to keep your workings centralized. Then carefully light the candle. As the candle burns, visualize a white light surrounding you, keeping negativity away. Say it aloud. She wants to hear you. Santisima Muerte, protect me from all harm, seen and unseen. This ritual helps to create a spiritual shield and invite her protective energy into your space. Remember, when working with Santisima Muerte, she requires respect, devotion, and intention. She responds to sincerity, and when honored, she brings protection, guidance, and transformation into your life. If you try any of these rituals, please share your experience in the comments. We love to hear from our community. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more spiritual guidance from your friends at the original Botanica. Until next time, remember to honor your past and embrace the magic. Bye.